Hello everybody, it's Paul Driftx, and today we're going to be making this Evolution 7, I believe, and yeah, and I have a friend who's over.
Hello, this is my van. I used it from Spider-Man Homecoming. I thought it might look like something like an SUV, and
More like
we
a
all
van
have characters
inside.
Yeah. There you go. Try this.
And his name is Animus.
Yeah, unanimous.
Okay, so it's pretty much it of those cars. The Evo X is it's basically the Ferrari in the last video. I just changed it up. I'm okay with the front, but the back is okay, but like not very much.
These look good.
The spoiler, I have the spoiler, and yeah, it's pretty much it on those cars. I stole a wheel from a Porsche set. I stole the wheels from a Porsche set, so yeah. So here are photo comparisons.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know.
And that is it. And yeah, I'll be showing you how to build this. And not the van, okay? No van.
Yeah.
Not the van.
Sorry, I know how to build this for you guys, though. Maybe if
He's not really experienced.
yeah.
Okay, so let's
Built
move
it
on. Let's move it on. Let's get to the Evo X. And Animus, will you show them how to build the rear bumper?
Sure.
Maybe for their creations. Okay, so. So those are the 2 creations. I hope you guys enjoy, and we will see you in the next one.